under their gears.
All right. YouTubes. Gonna do my coil. I got a coil change out going on this afternoon. And we'll start getting some tools together here. I'm just gonna go ahead and recover the charge out of the unit. And then kill power. There's the star of the show in the box there. And we'll grab some gear here and get cracking. Oh yeah, we got Tippy already. Hey Tippy. Freshy tank. That's always nice. Freshy. Good. Okay. We'll purge a Rooski. Fast. I got the breaker off, but now I'm thinking about it. We got this toggle switch. I might be able to just use the toggle switch and get another light on in here. My brain's kicking in a little bit. Sometimes that's scary. Let's see. Yeah. All right, I got it on the recovery machine. I'm gonna start taking apart as much as I can while we're recovering. I need to move a bunch of this stuff out of the way. So I'm gonna do that real quick. This will be over here. There it is, boom. I got the electrical disconnected. Look how I found the TXV bulb under the insulation. They just duct taped it on there, or electrical tape. That's your TXV connector. Nice. We take the front bolts out. I'll loosen up the back bolts, push the front ones up, and then you can slide the unit out onto the ladder to get it off. You know, when you're working solo, when you're doing the hand solo. And that's how I do those.
Stand up.
get you caught up on the job where I'm at. So I got the customers hypersensitive about the box temp on the changeout, which is a good thing. They care about their customers. So I actually kind of like that. That's good. My pressure test is going good. Nothing's moved. That has a deviation because I don't have my temperature clamp hooked up. But it has not budged, so that's a good thing. I got almost all the pickup work in here done. I got a call for cooling. I just got to tidy up some of my insulation. My TXV bulbs clamped down good. And pull a vacuum and then recharge this thing. And that's where I'm at right now. Save some battery. I'll leave one flashlight. I run these Milwaukee flashlights, they're so good. I use these on the power outages at the house. It lights the whole house up. I got a nice sticker on there. Oh, we're almost getting to set point. All right, YouTubes. Yeah, usually when old NorCal Dave gets an air conditioner call, and that's usually how they look. Yeah. This evaporator section needs a major clean out. I'm lucky on this one though, because check out this funky side discharge they did. Now, I'm not a tin knocker by no means. But, oh yeah, side discharge, tasty. Okay, we'll take it. I had to wash a condenser too, but it looks like I'll be using the old Rinse Kit Pro. It's a little 4-tonner. I think we're short on BTUs for the size of this the size of this place. I think I'm a little low on the BTUs. They say the early bird gets the worm. And on this day, I found out just how true that meaning is. And how beautiful riding through Utah is and Zion National Park.